Hi there, everyone. My name is Roberto, and I'm going to give you a demo of a solution that I came up with for lyrics in Visi, particular, because I'm a Visi user. But this can be used in, for many other applications in many other ways as well. But I am a Visi user, and I do lyric videos and upload them on YouTube. Oftentimes, I have a hard time finding the lyrics, and then having to you know uh, go on Visi here and be able to come up with an end result, which is a lyric video, a video with the lyrics that are synced with the song. And so Visi does have the lyric area. It does have a library that you can use, but I oftentimes go on there and can't find the lyrics to the songs that I'm looking for, and sometimes I do, and they're not synced. And so I ran into that problem. You can you know enter the words here, and you can manually sync the lyrics with the songs through this area right here, which is pretty nice and I'm grateful for. But it's not as intuitive as I would like. I've been looking for something like the library here, where you just you just have a song and you automatically you click a button and the lyrics are automatically synced with the song. So that's what I've been looking for. But oftentimes the lyrics that I'm looking for are not in this library here. And so I came up with a solution called the Lyric Sync Studio. And so I'm going to show it to you right here. So Lyric Sync Studio is you just you upload an audio, and it will transcribe it. And once it finishes transcribing it, it will automatically turn it into a JSON file, an SRT, or a lyric file as well. And then you can also take the YouTube transcription, the captions. You could take those and copy and paste them in here, and it will convert it into a JSON file as well. And so I'm going to show you how it works. We're going to upload an audio. It's going to be a Bruno Mars audio. We're gonna name it Bruno, and we're gonna transcribe the audio. It really won't take long. All right, already transcribed. And so right here, down here in this area, you have the transcript. You can download it as a JSON file, an SRT, or an LRC. And you can, oftentimes these transcriptions are not always 100%. They might get a word off or mispronounce a word or something like that. So you can edit it right here as well. And then you can just download it right here and use it in Visi. So let me just show you right here something real quick. And so right here you have the file right here that you can delete it, you can download it again, and then you can actually edit it. You can edit the name or edit the words in the file as well. Another thing that I wanted to show you is the YouTube captions. So some videos you can find the transcript right here. It'll show you it right here, and you can copy and paste it. You just got to make sure that you toggle the timestamps on, right? And you just copy that, you paste it into the Lyric Sync Studio, the parse captions area. Paste it in there. Let's name it Bruno 2. Then you could parse and convert that. Parse and convert that. All right. Oh, I must have. I'm sorry. I must have. Oh, I didn't. I didn't go all the way up. Okay, but it'll work. So we go over here in Visi, and we can upload the audio. We'll upload the audio. So here's the audio. Okay. Then we could take the we'll take the file that we just did, drag and drop it right there, add it to the project. And there you go. You have the file right there, or you can use once this block is created here, you have the option over here too. You can upload the file through here as well. And so yeah, let me know what y'all think. If you want access to this, if this sounds interesting, or something that anyone can use and help me out as a beta tester, that would be great. You'll get a free account. For those of you that sign up, you'll get a free account. And it'll be free forever. So even with the updates or any features I may add or any changes I may do, you'll have access. So let me know what y'all think. If you want the link, let me know and I'll drop it so that you can sign up and test it out, so that you can help me, kind of refine or make this idea, this app better. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you go. Bye.